Want to quickly access stock data? Want to automatically track and analyze stock trends for smarter investments? Try Bika.ai's Automated Stock Data Retrieval Python template and achieve it effortlessly. Open your browser, go to Bika.ai, log in, and navigate to the Template Center. Search for and click on the Automated Stock Data Retrieval Python template, then click the Install button. Open the template, read the template instructions, and click Next. At this point, an onboarding guide appears. Click the task, Automated Get Stock Info Initialization Task. Modify the API key and tickers. This guide will help you obtain a free API key. Click here to be redirected to AlphaVantage, enter your personal information, including your company name and email, and click Get Free API Key. Your API key will be generated. Copy your API key. Return to the onboarding task interface and click Go to Modify to enter the stock information automation. An onboarding guide will appear. The automation is preset to fetch specified stock data every day at 5 p.m. and write it into the database. You only need to click Get Stock Information from AlphaVantage, replace your API key here with the API key you just obtained, and click Save. Then, go to the stock data database, which is used to store the daily fetch stock data. Delete the template sample data to facilitate testing. Now let's test if the automation works. Go to the stock list database, which stores the stock codes to be queried. Create a new record and enter the stock code you wish to follow. Click Create. Return to the stock information automation, click the Run Now button, then navigate to the stock data database. At this point, you will see that the system has executed the automation task and fetched the latest stock data for all stock codes in the list, including the daily open, daily close, daily high, daily low, daily volume, and data acquisition time. If you like this automation, find it in the video description below. If you've got any questions or want to dive deeper into Bika's automation features, drop a comment below. Let's chat.